any video from YouTube can also be embedded into other programs. So this could be anything from like a Google slide to another website to a blog to like a class learning system like Schoology, like I did for this class. So any video that you find on YouTube, when you're viewing it, you can click on the share button. And what this does is it gives you a URL or the option of an embed code, which we'll talk about that in a second. Let me go back. Let me just hit share again. I also wanted to point out this. YouTube also allows you that, like, for instance, if I have this, like if I moved this video and it's this, I really don't want this first part of the video. I really want it to start about a minute and 59 seconds in. You can queue up the video and just check this box and say so when you embed this, it's actually not going to play the beginning of the video. It's only going to start playing about 2 minutes in. So this is actually really helpful in education. If you really don't want to show an entire video, you can actually just set this, and then when you copy the URL, it actually is just, it's going to know, you got to highlight it, it's going to know to start that because it says it as part of the URL. So I copied my URL. Now what I can do is I'm going to go to a new slide and I'm going to insert a video. And you can either search YouTube for a video, or you can have the video URL, which we have, or you can bring videos in from your drive. But this is YouTube, so I'm going to right click and say paste. And there's a preview of my video. I'm going to say select it. And when we go to play this, it's going to start playing at 1 minute and 59 seconds into the video. So it started right where I queued it up. You can also do the same thing in like Google Sites. You could say import a YouTube video and you just type in, you just paste the URL, right click and say paste, or Control V, hit search, it finds it, you select it, and now this video is part of your web page. Some programs do want you to use what they call an embed code. So an embed code is HTML programming language that you're going to copy and paste. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste this code. I'm going to right click and say copy. And then when you're in a program that requires that, you're going to drag out that you want to do an embed code. And then you're going to click to edit the custom URL, and then you're just going to paste over what is there. So I'm going to paste, and that's the code that I copied. When I click out of this, the video will embed on my screen. It's really still playing from YouTube. It's almost like your website is linking to the YouTube video. So if the YouTube video gets deleted from YouTube, the video will no longer be in whatever program or slide or whatever you have embedded it in. But that's a nice way to take your YouTube videos and have them play in other programs.